Hi everyone, welcome to the Xoro accounting period tutorial. We're going to walk through in this guide how to create accounting periods within your Xoro system. So basically, accounting periods let you set your fiscal years within the system, and you must create accounting periods prior to any transactions taking place within the system. So you're going to want to make sure that you have these in place before you go live. So let me just pull up the accounting periods module. And accounting periods must be created in succession. So basically, what you want to do is start with the year of your oldest transaction. So if your oldest transaction is 2012, you're going to want to create the accounting period for 2012 first, and then you can create the remaining periods after 2012 from there on. So let's say my oldest transaction I have is in 2012. I'm going to select 2012 here. And I can choose the subperiod here as well. So if you want to split your fiscal year by years, quarters, or months, you can select that here. So basically, what that means is if I select months, I can lock my accounting periods by month. So I can lock January, February, March. We typically recommend the subperiod of months, just so that you have that ability to lock it by months. So let's say I pick 2012, and I'm going to pick 2012 here. And let's pick Jan 1st or whatever your fiscal start date is for that year. And then I'm just going to hit create, click OK, and the accounting period is created. So the following year, basically, if I need to create the following year, I just go to create new year. And this time I'd choose 2013. And then I can leave the same period if I want. And this time I can just choose Jan 1st, 2013, and then create it again. And so on and so forth. You can continue for the remaining fiscal years in your system.